Come here, let's have a big group hug. Genuinely though, thank you. I want to just give everyone just a massive virtual hug because you're just so nice to me, you're so kind to me. I love your comments, I love hearing all your, this is, by the way, this is in response to the thank you and the 10,000 subscriber video that I did, so I'm announcing the winners. But firstly, I just wanted to say thank you because everyone's like, oh, it's so well deserved, you're gonna go on to get this many subscribers, or just so supportive. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you. So I'm sure you're just watching because you want to hear the winners. So I'm going to put the 3 winners up on the screen. Honestly, loads of people asked and I feel really bad because I want to give everybody something and I can't because there's only 3 prizes. I will be doing more giveaways in the future, so make sure you keep tuned, stay tuned to watch those. But yeah, let me have a quick look. I've got to double check, I've got to read them out. So it was hard because I just want, like I said, like I want to be able to give everyone something and help everyone out because we all like cycling gear. We want to get cycling. So firstly, I'm going to do the foam mount and the sealant. So they are 2 separate like prizes. So 1 sealant, 1 foam mount, 1 sealant, 1 foam mount. The first person is Emma Brinkley. So she wrote, well done Katie, keep up the good work on your inspirational videos. I'd find a use for either item. The foam mount would be handy for Zwifting, but the bag would make my commute in the rain so much better. So Emma is a ride leader and I just feel like she's just doing so much good in like helping other female cyclists like get on a bike. So I want to give you the foam mount. So what I want you to do is if you head over to my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, message me on there your address and I'll get them posted out to you. So, the other winner of the foam mount is Louis Go V, which is Louis Go Vegan. So, Louis says, I got myself in a few sketchy situations when I was holding my phone on my hands. I think he means in my hands, while riding looking for guidance on Google Maps. The Garmin phone adapter looks so cool even just for the Zwift rides. He said, what was Jay doing off camera? I can't remember. He was just working on the table. But yeah, so I feel like for safety alone, use the mount. Don't be holding stuff when you're riding. Just be careful and use the foam mount to be able to direct you around using Google Maps. So the final prize, sorry my bra strap keeps falling down. So the final prize is for the backpack. The winner of the backpack is Thelma Viaduct, who says, congratulations on 10k, would love the commuting bag so my unders don't get wet on the way to work, hashtag Lancashire life. It rains a lot in Lancashire, so I know that all too well. So, I don't want you to have wet underwear. You can't be sitting in wet underwear all day when you're at work. That is so uncomfortable and probably not great for that kind of health down there, so I'll send you the backpack. So like I said, just message me on Instagram. You can message me on YouTube actually as well. Send me your address. Don't put it in the comments because you don't want everyone knowing where your address is. But just send me a private message either on YouTube or on Instagram and I'll get them posted out. But again, thank you so kindly for your lovely comments. And I will be doing another giveaway in future. So I'm sorry if you didn't win one of the prizes, but I will be doing more in future. So I think that's it for today. Enjoy your prizes, you 3, and I will see you next video.